this thing is turned into a whole series. Alright, so I got 2 packages here. One says competition clutch. And then the other one that says, woo, what is that? What does it say? Priority mail, USPS. I cracked myself up. Alright, so let's open this thing up, see what's in here. I think I know what's in it, right? Because it's got some weight to it. I promised myself I wasn't going to get my hands dirty. Put about an hour into the car today. And I was doing good. But let's see if I can keep it that way. I don't know what this is. Okay, just packing. Alright, so these are my eBay orders. Dang. This really came from eBay. Like, they wrap these in plastic trash bags with plastic bags. But these are my SI Civic forks. Right? I got 2 of them. Let's see if I can fix this axle issue that I have. Right? This thing is just bare. But it's all good. So a lot of y'all don't know because of these axles. See, I got a whole bunch of them over there. Getting ready to sell this car. But I figured I'll give it a real true effort before I get rid of it. Or before I even try to talk about get rid of it. So the reason why I got these to replace these is because thanks to Michael, the Asian guy on YouTube. He does great EK Honda Civic things. If I go back and check on his channel, I'll try to put his name on the across the screen. And you know, tons of best motoring videos, just a lot of videos of watching. I'd say about the last 5 years. But I came across a video. He was saying that the SI front forks are wider than the regular stock forks. A ton of information from this guy here. He's told me about the front sway bars, change the controller arm and all that. So I give respect to where it's due. So one thing I want to see now, if it's true, right? So this is the new forks that came in. So from they're about a little bit inside of 4 inches in width. And let's see if I can hook these. So move this over. This is the old one. So it's about. So it's a little bit more. So it's about 3¼ inches in width for the old ones. So yeah, that's bigger. So I'm hoping that that's gonna solve my axles rubbing on these damn forks. Goddamn forks. It cost me money. It cost me money. It costing me money. Alright. Got my frustration out. Let's see. I can see what's on here. It just showed the name right there, but I don't know if you guys seen it. Alright. So trust me, I don't get excited to open new packages because that means I had to spend money, which I like to invest. But my son said he wants the car, so trying to prolong keeping it. And I got me what they told me is a lightweight flywheel. I'm gonna take it upstairs, of course, and put it on the scale and measure it. So this is a steel lightweight flywheel. I know they had aluminum from like Clutch Master and a few other places, but I don't like ordering from places that when I call them I can't get in touch with them. I don't like that. Me personally, I want to feel like I'm personal, like I can call and ask questions and be able to get some kind of answer. So this Clutch Master flywheel, bear with me because I'm opening it with one hand. Has a whole bunch of holes in it to reduce the weight. Comes with the, I don't think this is not a bearing. This is where the forks sit in. The clutch, the transmission shaft goes in here. So I don't remember if there's a bearing or not that goes in there when I take the other one apart. But yeah, it feels pretty light. If you guys want me to do a weight, just to see how much it really weighs, because they don't put really too much information on how much it weighs in there. Let me see if it comes with any paper. No, man, times is getting hard, man. They don't even put no instructions or nothing in there. They just throw the stuff in there. So I got my flywheel and my forks, and I'm gonna hope that the forks fix my axle issue, and that the lightweight flywheel. And the reason why I got it is because I'm trying to do more back roads, canyon, road racing kind of stuff. And I've heard that the lightweight flywheel helps, especially with blipping the throttle, blipping the throttle, just to kind of keep the RPMs up. So yeah, that'll be good. I've heard that the lightweight flywheel is not really good for drag racing, so you might want to keep that in mind. It just needs a little bit more momentum when it's drag racing. So when you get off the clutch, it takes a longer time for the RPMs to drop when you have a regular stock flywheel. But with a lightweight flywheel, it gets up, it rotates faster up to the RPMs, from what I've heard. But yeah, this is what I've got to hopefully fix some of my issues. And I figured, since I'm going to be putting on the replacing the transmission, I might as well go ahead and do the lightweight flywheel. So yeah, man, got the Clutch Master H series lightweight flywheel and the SI front forks. And if I have the order for the front forks, I'll screenshot it and send it to you guys. And yeah, this is the part number for the Clutch Master forks, Clutch Master flywheel. And yeah, alright, so I got the scale here zeroed out. See, put this on here. God damn it, I can't see jack shit. 14.5. That's ounces. Ounces? Okay, that's pounds. Oh, okay, it's 9 pounds 14 ounces. Okay, let's see. So 9 pounds 14 ounces. Okay, so that's how much a flywheel weighs. That's not bad. Guess the other one is probably like 20 something pounds. Alright, cool. Let's see how this works.